Good morning, February 11th. I hope you felt yesterday's Eureka effect and enjoyed deep sleep and a true reset. Today we open the wisdom page. Our message of the day sounds like this. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. It's fascinating how a thought spoken more than 2,400 years ago remains one of the most powerful recipes for mental well-being today. These words belong to Democritus, a philosopher known as laughing philosopher. He believed that many of our worries are not worth our tears, and that true joy comes through moderation and gratitude. Modern neuroscience now confirms this ancient wisdom. The practice of gratitude literally retrains the brain. It reduces anxiety, strengthens our sense of inner safety, and restores emotional balance. Let's see how does this wisdom show up in our lives today. Focus on resources. Instead of spending energy on what feels missing, we begin to notice what already supports us and makes life better. This isn't denial of difficulties. It's a mindset that gives us strength to face them. Freedom from comparison. Sadness rooted in lack is often born from comparison and envy. Gratitude for your own path is the shortest way out of this trap. The ability to be happy in the process, not postponing joy until a big goal is reached, but finding it in the small steps we take right now. Take a small pause and ask yourself, what do I already have enough of? What do I have? Maybe it's a warm cup of tea in the morning, a calm breath, a body that supports you every day, or someone who is always there for you. Today, I invite you to begin a small yet powerful practice, a gratitude journal. Each day, write down at least 3 things you're grateful for. In moments of doubt or sadness, return to these notes. They gently shift your focus and remind you of what truly matters. May this practice become your bright filter, slowly coloring life in lighter shades. Gratitude doesn't change life instantly. It changes the one who lives it. Your wisdom from Advance Embrace.